The other day, I buy one jet plane, yeah?
What?
One jet plane. One plane. Come up here, son. Come side of your granddad. You don't want to come side of me?
Then come on.
Yeah, come. Come side of me, come here, yeah, talk.
Yeah.
So the other day, I buy one jet plane. And you know the pilot I look for me and tell me say one heap of money for fly me. Where me forget it from, Granny?
The white plane, you know.
The plane there, the deck. You know me a millionaire, Granny?
Say,
Eh?
let me can know.
You know?
Come to know.
Yeah, man. I win big money a foreign. And that's why I come down, Granny, and just live life, so. I go over there, so I go to Montego Bay. I go there, so I go watch it.
Oh.
Pa my veranda. You don't know that, Granny? Granny, I belch me off.
No, no.
Granny say I belch you off, you little nasty rich. Hmm? So, Granny,
Miami.
Granny, you know, so me have one big boat out at sea too. What you say?
It's a rotted.
You say rotted?
Yeah.
Why?
That me can go on the boat.
You can't go on the boat?
Yeah. You can have a big boat.
Your granddad have one big boat out at sea. We just cook chicken today because I can't bother go see, go collect the lobster and the fish them.
So you go collect it now. What you do with
Eh?
it? Eat it. It cook.
Me I go collect it out at sea.
Oh.
Yeah. You want to come with me?
Yeah.
You want to come and see with me?
I'm telling you, fishy, me nearly drowning.
You nearly John?
I'm telling you, come and see. Well,
Your cousin can't even see and let you go?